How to manage biometric device? For this, there is a control panel. Click on device settings, device admin. Select the device here which you want to manage. Select the device, connect. From this panel, you may do all the tasks related to biometric device, like getting the device information. Click on get device info. It will show all the details related to biometric device, like how much manager are registered, how much user are registered, how much face registered, how much finger registered, how much password registered, and device serial number. This serial number will be used in the biometric device as in shown device configuration. And you can set the admin right from the software also. For this, click on user permission. All the user lists will be shown here. If you want to manage any user as admin, click on that user and click on user as administrator, apply. Now, card number 1 will be registered on biometric as administrator. You may check this. See, card number 1, Manoj Kumar is admin. Now, to remove admin role, select the employee and do not click here and just apply. Administrator will be removed. How to get the device time? Click on get device time. How to update the device time? Click on update device time. The system timing will be updated on the biometric device. How to back up the finger from the device? Click on backup. Then all the enrolled data will be shown here. Click on this and click on save button. This biometric data will be backed up right now. In future, if you want to restore the data, click on restore. All the backup data will be shown here. Click on enrollment details and click on restore. Data will be restored. You can take backup from one device and restore to another device also. For this purpose, use backup and restore. To delete any employee finger from the machine, click on delete. List of employees and enrollment will be shown here. Click on the enrollment number which you want to delete and click on delete. Data will be deleted from the biometric machine. You may upload the username here. You may input the attendance log from the machine. You may delete the finger template from the machine. All the finger template will be deleted from here. And from here you are deleting one by one. And if you want to clear and full machine data, click on empty device. Machine will be set blank. Overall, you can do all the information from here except enrollment, and no need to go physically at the biometric device. Thank you.